This is a great tool which comes in very handy. It's a flexible shaft bit holder and accessory set. It allows you to fasten screws and bolts in those awkward, difficult to access areas by allowing the shaft to bend past 180 degrees. You'll see the outer shaft sleeve can be held in any position, whilst the inner flexible spindle shaft rotates inside, allowing for more control of the driving action in those awkward locations. This adapter is for hand torquing use only. You connect it like a normal bit to your hex screwdriver or ratchet screwdriver, whilst the ball bearing at the top securely locks the desired bit in place. It especially comes in handy when you need to get to those hard to access spots where your normal screwdriver just won't fit. It saves you time, effort, and not to mention removing the regular struggles and frustrations working in tight locations. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it, leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.